How to remove header and footer space in Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Word document. Okay guys, so here I am on my Word. So you can see I have one page here. So let's start with the video. So first thing, you need to visible this rural things or rural option. Okay, if you don't have this rural option on your Word, then just go to the view and make sure this ruler is enabled. Just check mark on it. Okay, after that we need to go in again view, go to the one page. Okay, and here you need to click on this vertical option. Okay, now you can see this ruler. Okay, now you can see this is your header and this is your footer. Okay, so when you start typing, it will start from after some space. When you enter any backspace, it won't go ahead. So what you need to do, you need to just come over this ruler and just come over, take your cursor on this ruler and make sure this symbol show, and then just click on it and just drag on upper sides. So your top margin will be increase or decrease. You can see, as you can adjust as per your requirement. Same as you have to come on bottom and select that ruler and just drag on bottom and adjust your margin. Same thing you can do with your left and right margin. Okay, if you want more space on the left or right, you can do this for you. Okay, this is direct method you can use. After that, you can just increase here the page 100% to 100%, so it will be normal now. Okay, so now you can use your header and footer space like this. And another method you can use, if this method is not friendly to you, then you can use another method. Same, you need to go in go to the one page view, and now we need to go in layout, and now we need to go in margins. Just click on margins and go to the custom margins, and here we need to change this top and bottom margin. So now we have 0.25 and 0.25 centimeter from to bottom and to top. So you can change to same here, or you can make 0 so your top and bottom margin will be decrease by 0. Okay, or you can make it 0.20. it is also good, but we need because we need some margin on top and bottom, so you can make it 0.20 or 0.20 centimeter and just click on OK. So your margin will be changed as it is, as you can see here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.